So hello everybody, it's your boy Code Dev. In today's video we are gonna talk about scripting, luau scripting, because it's a good thing to learn and it is important if you don't have a team with you. So let's get in. So as y'all can see in here, so first thing we're gonna do is make a script in server script services. Let's make the script in server script services. Why we make the script in server script services is it applies in the whole server, not a special part. It applies in the whole server, okay? Like if you want to print something, put it in server script services. If you put scripts in workspace, it ain't gonna work in everything like you want. Like it will work in a part if you put it in part, okay, like ChatGPT does. But if you want to be a professional dev, you have to put it in server script services. I'm explaining that, okay? Like if you put a part and then put the script in then put it in the script in the part, then it'll only work in the part. So we can do all the things in server script services. Like we can affect the part that we made. Let's get in. Let me get my own screen keyboard. Okay, let's get the first thing. The first thing in a script should be local. What it should be, guys, it should be local. And the next thing should be a variable. A variable is a thing that you describe in a short word. Like I describe variable equals to game.workspace.part. I'm describing the part, okay? I'm targeting the part. Let me rename the part to variable 12, okay? Variable 12. Now I can describe the part in variable 12, okay? I don't want to type the game.workspace.net no, game.workspace dot var12 equals to true or not. I gotta describe the var12 by variable 1. Now let me explain what this does. Game.workspace, the workspace is in the game, so I made it game.workspace. The workspace is in the game, and the workspace is our part named variable 12. What this does is targeted the part, and if you want to write it in the script that I want to target the variable 12 part, then I'll type variable 1. I'll just type variable 1, and that's all. Like and that's all. I'll just type variable 1, and in the script it should be called variable 1, and the part would be variable 12. It's just named, the variable of it is variable 1. Okay, let me just make the workspace capital, because we are targeting a thing and we want it to be named like that. Okay, now what this does is it is a variable. It makes a variable. Local makes a variable, okay? So local makes a variable. I'm explaining y'all too much, but local makes a variable. So let me get on print. What a print does is prints the thing in the output. Let me show how to get the output tab. Like if you make a script first, it'll show print hello world, because it's the first thing. It describes the output. Like this is a boolean value. This I type this was a boolean value. A boolean value is a value which is true or false. That's it. Which is true or false. That's it. Let me just show y'all what a boolean value is. Let me type boolean equals true. Okay, it works with true. If I type false, let me just type false for you. For example, it'll show false. But if I type something else, that anything else other than false or true, it'll show an error, because boolean value is just true or false. Okay, now let's get back to print. Let's get back to print. Okay, wait, let me just type print. Okay, like commas, no, if you want to type print, then you will add commas. And if you want to add a boolean in the print, okay, if you want to add a boolean in the print, then you'll not add the parenthesis. If you want to add anything else, then you'll add the parenthesis. Let me just test it and show you what it prints. Okay, look, it printed true, because the value I gave him, the boolean value I gave him was true. Okay, let me just get back to the script. Like if I type a number, let me just, I gotta put the parenthesis if I want to type anything else other than a value. Let me just put the parenthesis. Oh yeah, if I type false or I know a number, it'll print the same thing. I don't want to put the parenthesis in a value. Okay, let me just show example. Parenthesis. Okay, now if I play, it shows okay. And if the part name variable 12 didn't exist, then it'll show an error. I have explained it to you now. Okay, if the part name variable 12 didn't exist or deleted, it won't work. Now print is over. Now comes the if value, and I'll tell you what an if value is. if value is, if you know the meaning of if, then you know the meaning of if. Okay, you'll need to know the meaning of if. In coding, the if is the same thing. If is the same thing. Why did I make this script? Okay, I made it for example, like print hello world thing. Okay, if means a value. No, it's not a value. If means, if you know the meaning of if, you'll know the meaning of if in coding too, because it's the same meaning. Now if I type if variable 1, because if I don't need to type game.workspace.12 variable 12, I just need to type like it'll show an error. If I type game.workspace.1 the variable 12, it'll show an error. If I type variable 1, then it'll work, because variable 1 is describing the part variable 12. Then print, I'll just, like if I do enter after the, then like if I put the variable in there, I put the script in there, then we'll print, and then an end will get printed there. Like it'll complete the sentence. Like I'll type anything like false. What if I do false? Play. As y'all can see, it prints false. Okay, it prints false. As y'all can see, it prints false because I put the input to false. Now let me just get to the script. Okay, so it is the time for the print statement, and after that we'll do the if statement, and after that we'll do the else statement. If you don't know if and else, we'll explain it in this video. Okay, let me just explain it. Print, you can make a whole conversation with the print command. Like if I type hi, hey, how are you, I'm fine, what about you, it'll print it like it's a whole conversation between prints. Sounds very dumb, but still it's cool because scripting is cool. Print how, fine, what about you, fine, what about you. If you guys did not understand, join my Discord, link in the description. Ask me questions there. Okay, I'll answer each of them. Just ping me and then I'll just answer y'all, okay? I'll answer a whole lot of queries out there, okay? And I'll tell you about the updates I'm gonna make with my games. If you don't know, I have made a game, okay? If you'll join my Discord, you'll know about my game, okay? Now, if and else statement. What is a if statement? If statement is a statement which is done when a thing is true. If let me just explain. If variable 1 true, if variable 1 means if the variable 1 is true, then print, I don't know what, print anything, okay? Like just anything, print anything. And else means if the if statement is not correct, then it'll print the other thing, okay? If y'all don't understand, join my Discord. And this is the example of the print thing. How are you, I'm fine, okay? This is the example of printing. So I'm ending this video, not right now, like in a soon time, like in 2 minutes. So meet y'all in the next one. Take care, goodbye. Join my Discord server, link in the description. I'm telling y'all again and again, so you'll if y'all have to inquire me about something, my Discord is TLRev. Contact me in the Discord, ping me, and I'll answer every question, each of the question of y'all, okay? Take care. I'm ending the video. Wait, let me just explain the if and then again, if else again. If it's a statement, if it is true, then print. If variable 1, then if variable, if I enter if variable 1, then I press enter, then it'll print then and this will write then and end also, then and end automatically. And if you do then print, okay, then print anything, and then it'll print anything if the variable 1 is true. Then it'll show, if it isn't true, then it'll show a error. Else value will show do the thing if the variable is false. So this is the time to end the video. Take care, love y'all, thanks for watching the video. If you need some queries, talk to me in the Discord, link in the description. I told you 10 times. Take care, bye, see ya. So hello everybody, it's your boy Code Dev. In today's video we are gonna talk about scripting, Luau scripting, because it's a good thing to learn, that it is important if you don't have a team with you. So let's get in.